So here massive crowd here to buy this freebie here inside the first company operated, company managed outlet here in Bangalore in India. The first outlet here. So here massive crowd you can see. You can see people are experiencing the products. You can see the massive installation of this bay. So, just a brief about the products that is displayed here.
This is nothing phone 3, sir.
Okay.
This comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 as Gen 4 chipset with 50 MP triple camera with selfie also it's 60 MP. This comes with clean OS. There is no third-party applications, don't waste everything.
Okay.
And camera also it's really good. It's 3x of optical zoom and 6x of lossless zoom. And front also, front back both sides it support 4K with 60 frames. And front also it support 4K with 60 frames. And essential key also is there. This also for single shot, press like screenshot it will be taken. This also like anything add is reminder it will use. For long press recording option also it's there. If you do long press recording option, that also you can customize it also for reminder and everything.
Okay. So other than this, which are the other variants here?
This is nothing for 3 in this counter. There are 3A and 3A Pro different models also.
Thank you for the explanation. What is your good name?
Abdul Razik.
Abdul Razik, all the best for explaining these things to NFA Post TV. Ma'am, can you slightly explain about this variant, this product variant?
Sorry.
Can you explain a bit about the product variant?
Product variant.
Yeah.
So this one it will come nothing phone 3. It's a flagship variant it will come, sir. Nothing phone 3. This it will come flagship variant in nothing. And this it will come processor. It's a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and unique design. And it will come titanium aluminum metal body. And there are glyph matrix also, glyph matrix buttons. And glyph matrix buttons we can control lot of things also, sir, in this model. And this is secondary model. If you are looking at this model, I think 3A. This model it will come nothing phone 3A.
3A. Okay.
3A. What's the difference in both of them? It's a flagship variant, it's a starting variant. It will come around 25,000, sir, this model. Nothing for 3A. 25,000 it will come, back camera 50 plus 58 it will come. Front camera 32 megapixel it will come. And it will come fixable AMOLED display. And it will come 8GB RAM, 128GB storage. And another thing, the fixer and processor it will come Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 it will come, sir.
Okay.
This is the secondary model.
Okay. Second model. And then
this is third model. There has been 3A Pro. 3A Pro it will come. What's the difference on 3A and 3A Pro? It will come processor, everything has been similar. The only camera different it will come. This is a periscope sensor camera it will come. 50 megapixel back, 50 periscope, and another 50 megapixel wide angle. Another it will come ultra wide angle 8 megapixel, and front camera 50 megapixel. In 3A it will come front camera 32 megapixel. This one it will come 50 megapixel. Only the camera different it will come.
okay.
Nothing. 3A Lite. 3A Lite. What's the difference on this? Similar. It's a static model on nothing phone. Has been nothing. The basic variant. It will come back camera 50 plus 8 plus 2. It will come. Front camera 16 megapixel. It will come, and it will come MediaTek 7300 processor, Pro processor. It will come, and 8 GB RAM 128 and 8 GB 256. There are two variants.
So in India, we have 4 variants right now launched.
Another variant also we have nothing CMF.
Okay, where is that?
That is that, sir.
That is their CMF. There is another person. What is your good name?
Naveen.
Naveen. Thank you, Naveen, for explaining this to NFA Post TV.
Thank you.
Who will explain this new variant? You will explain?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is your good name?
My name is Sayed Boys.
Okay, okay. This variant is?
Phone 2 Pro.
Okay. Tell me about this phone.
You can see front camera is going to be 16 megapixel.
Okay.
Back camera main is 50. 8 is ultra wide. Telephoto 50 you will get.
Okay.
Talk about the zoom till 20x you can zoom. I'll show you.
Wow.
Till 20x you
Amazing.
can zoom. Plus you will get clear OS. You will not get third-party applications pre-installed.
Okay.
And nothing has their own OS. You can see here. Nothing has
Very
their
good.
own OS.
Very good. Okay. Anything more you want to say?
Yeah, processor is there. You can see MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro 5 you will get. 5000 battery, flexible AMOLED display you will get with 6.77 inch flexible AMOLED display.
Okay.
Plus you will not get heating, lagging problems like that.
Okay, okay. Okay, very good. Please hold it and hold it. I want to take my mic.